Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Abdullah Malik and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School Islamabad, Barhaka campus. Today we are doing TEDx on the topic of finding your passion by Nilam Hanif. The Nilam Hanif said, "Passion is not something you are born with. It develops over time. You do not find passion instantly. Passion needs effort. It grows with experience. Passion is connected to interest. It can change with time. Not everyone knows their passion early. Passion is not always obsessed. It starts with curiosity. You must take action first. Waiting for passion wastes time. Trying new things helps you grow. Exploration is important. Small steps lead to big results. You learn by doing. Experience builds clarity. Action removes confusion. You discover yourself through work. Movement is better than thinking alone only. Skills can create passion. Practice makes you better. Improvement increase interest. Hard work builds confidence. Learning is part of the journey. Passion follows mastery. Growth takes time. Discipline is important. Focus helps in development. Success comes with consistency. Fear stops people from trying. Failure is normal. Mistakes help you learn. Do not fear judgment. Confidence comes from action. Challenge make you stronger. Risk is necessary. Comfort zone limits growth. Double is nature. Natural. Coverage needs to discovery. Not everyone has equal opportunities. Time and money aff- affect choice. Passion alone is not enough. Balance is important. Sometimes responsibility comes first. Passion needs force. Society can influence decision. Practic- Practice thinking is needed. Passion should align with reality. Success requires both passion and effort. Knowing yourself is the first step. Your value shapes your passion. Passion connects with your identity. Self-reflection helps in clarity. You must understand what excites you. Your strengths can create your passion. Weakness can also shape direction. Passion often comes from personal experience. Life change influence your interest. Awareness grows with time. Passion is a long-term process. It cannot be rushed. Consistency matters more than speed. Results take time. Patience is required during failure. Growth is often slow. Overnight success is a myth. Long-term effort brings real passion. Time helps refine your goals. Rushing leads to confusion. Passion can change over time. It is okay to switch paths. Growth may lead to new interests. Flexibility is important. Sticking to one idea forever is not necessary. Change can bring better opportunities. Adapting is a strength. Leading go is sometimes important. Passion involved with life stages. Exploration should never stop. Your environment affects your patience. Supportive people help you grow. Negative surroundings can limit your met- mentors can quite your journey. Friends influence your choice. Family expectations can impact decision. Learning from others is important. Role models inspire direction. Community plays a role in growth. Exploration creates opportunities. Patients should not ignore reality. Financial stability is important. Balance between passion and responsibility matter. Passion alone cannot solve everything. Practical decisions are necessary. So we were in this TEDx talk. The speaker says, "Passion is not come from born with you. It develops over time. If you want to success, be develop patience in your mind." So viewers, this is our TEDx talk. I hope you like it. We will meet in another TEDx talk with another topic. Keep Take care of yourself. Pakistan Zindabad. Allah Hafiz.